Good morning. It is Friday today. Heading into the studio, just working on some dresses and some tops. I'm gonna just have to run and get some elastic on the way in. Yeah, and then I have a top that I'm working on, so we'll go in and do that once I grab some elastic. So I'm just working on this top to match the skirt I showed you. It's got all this button detail down the front. I think I showed you it was like a vintage dress that I got this fabric from. Yeah, so I'm just closing up the arms now, and then I'm gonna gather them so they're nice and gathered and have volume. What way am I doing this? Yeah, so that's the front of the top, and then there's the skirt to match. So I'm just getting that finished now. So I've just finished the sleeves. I added on like this extra cuff detail, and then I made with like literally the last bits I could find of this fabric a kind of a patchwork ribbon tie. So I'm just going to get that one done on that side and the other one, and then I'll show you how it looks finished. Okay, so it's a little later in the week. Thought I would show you what I finished so far. I'll just put you here and I'll show you what I have been working on and what's finished. I can't really remember exactly, so we'll just go through. So I finished these two star bags. I only had enough of the fabric to make 2 of them. So yeah, I've got the 2 and they both have sequins. And then I made... You've seen the skirt, and then I made a matching top for that, which I don't know if I showed you. So it's got like the drawstring arms, long sleeve, and then that detail along the bottom. And the shape is kind of similar to the shapes I've been doing for the past few collections. So it's like an elasticated gathered top, and then the sleeves sit up over the shoulders, or they can actually be pushed down and worn off the shoulders as well. So that is that matching set finished. And then I think I showed you this skirt that I made, and then I made a matching top, long sleeve, kind of cropped and gathers. So that was that top finished. So yeah, then I have that outfit. Yeah, and now I'm just packing some orders. I did a sale over the weekend to, just kind of to make room online for a new incoming season. I had a few sales, so I'm going to get everything packed now. So I made all of these gift bags to put the orders in. So I'm just going to get everything packed up now, and I'll show you what's been ordered. Okay, so I can see on the order that this is the first item ordered. It's one of the charms. Yeah, and here it is. So it's like a charm. So that is the first order to get packed up. So here are all the bits for the order. So I'll just get it all packed up now. Okay, next order is a star bag with this kind of leopard print ruffle, which I have here ready to go. So it's like a leopard print ruffle, and then it's got this little keychain detail on the side here, and it's got these like vintage bangles, and you can actually just wear the bag through the handles if you want as well. Yeah, so I'm going to get this one packed up now. Okay, there is the star bag packed up and ready to go in the gift bag. So the next order is for 2 collars. That is the first one, like a patchwork one. And that is the second one. So I'm going to get them packed now. So here is the first one. That is the front, and that is the back. I love this fabric. I didn't have much of it. It's like this tulle with these little pink glitter sequins or glittery spots on it. So yeah, really cute. And here is the second collar that's been ordered. And there are the collars packed up in their gift bag. And then the next order is this sequin star bag charm and this bag charm here. I'm going to get that packed now. Okay, so there are those 2 bits ready to go. Just have to get them packed. And there is the last order, all tagged and packed and ready to go. Just going to put it in the gift bag now. Okay, so that is the last order packed and ready.